Bandrat dingkong bat bante la ka me gajing jela drugs ha kachala ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala puloy ga jelang ka bakirpang bat kiseng tre kam chaki balang ba per ba kumno la bat pendo ja yu new jingdi ha bakran ha kani ga jelang ba polling do menteri ketanat social welfare jo ka Sorkar jela ulom ba ka Sorkar kan Pynlut Haduh Klur tingka chaki ni kiseng tre kam chaki balang ba kinyele ban Iakhun ya kani gajing ka baki sabla ki ma na gajing di yo drugs.
So today's meeting was convened with the intention of soliciting the support of various faith organizations, and the response was tremendous. We had representations from various church organizations, and a number of very important suggestions also emerged from the meeting, where the discussion was confined to the need to up the ante against the narcotics situation. And suggestions have come that the need to increase the number of counseling that we're doing, the intensity of counseling, awareness programs, and destigmatization of the drug users. And briefly, as a result of the discussions, we agreed on a two-pronged approach. The first is to involve the various faith organizations in coming forward and joining the campaign against drug abuse. The members who attended were briefed that at this stage we have earmarked an amount of rupees 10 crore per annum, which will work out to 50 crores in 5 years, for the implementation of the elimination of drugs and substance use. And the faith organizations have been requested to go back and have their in-house consultations. We will then, based on their requirement, fund the publicity campaign. And also I had suggested that since a lot of schools also come under these organizations, students can be asked to take a pledge on a daily basis to not abuse himself or his friends, or engage in activities that lead to narcotic addiction. So one of the other major decision that we took was, since this involves large areas of the state, in fact as many as 7 districts have been identified as hotspot districts, we will intensify this campaign, involve the other districts as well. But as a pilot project, we will first, since Shillong is a major hotspot, on a pilot project basis, we will zone Shillong into various zones, and each of these zones there will be regular interaction and review of the extent of the problem, identification of users, identification of peddlers, and coordination with all line departments, the Dorwarshnongs, and the social welfare department and health department. So briefly, this is what was discussed, and subsequent to this, we will also involve organizations, Dorbarshnam, and NGOs that have not been invited so far, because inviting all of them in one single meet involves huge problems of logistics. So, but at the third meeting, we will certainly widen the scope of involving more such organizations.